Ever feel like you're stuck in the same cycle? Waking up late, scrolling for hours, and wondering why is nothing changing? Yeah, I felt that too. But then, I tried something crazy. Waking up at 5 a.m., training like a beast at noon, reading while everyone else sleeps. At first, it felt impossible. But that one-day routine, it changed everything. This video isn't about being perfect. It's about choosing discipline over distractions. It's about becoming someone you're proud of. Today, I'll walk you through the 24 hours that rebuilt my mind, my body, and my life. Let's begin at 5 a.m. It's dark. The alarm rings. 5 a.m. My body says, go back to sleep. But I sit up, close my eyes, and breathe. Inhale, exhale. No phone, no noise, just silence. This is meditation, not the Instagram kind. The real kind with thoughts racing, doubts creeping in. But over time, the fog cleared, and I heard something I hadn't heard in years. My own voice. Starting the day with calm gave me control, not chaos. Peace is power, and this silence became my strength. Now it's 12 p.m. Time to train. No gym, no machines. Just me, my breath, and the pain. Push-ups, squats, sweat dripping. Why? Because this is when I fight the weaker version of myself. Some days, I want to quit in the first set, but I keep going, and every representative is a punch in the face of laziness. You don't need a six-pack. You need discipline. You need the voice in your head to say, I don't want to, but I'll do it anyway. That's how you win. Not just the workout, but life itself. The world sleeps, but I'm awake, holding a book, reading in silence. This is sacred time. At first I wanted to scroll, to binge, to escape. But instead, I chose to learn. 10 pages, one idea, a new mindset. Books made me smarter, sharper, stronger. They gave me tools my school never taught. They taught me how to think, not just follow. While the world numbs their minds, I sharpen mine. This routine, it's not perfect. You'll have lazy days, off days, even quitting days. But here's the truth. What matters is not never failing. It's coming back, again and again. This routine, it doesn't just shape your schedule. It shapes your identity. And I know what you're thinking. I can't do this. I'm not disciplined enough. I'm not a morning person. But here's the secret. You don't start because you're disciplined. You become disciplined because you start. Try this. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Sit in silence. Move your body. Read something, anything. Do that for one day. Then repeat. And slowly, you become someone new. Not just more productive, but more powerful. This 24-hour routine rebuilt me. Mind, body, focus, confidence. I didn't need motivation. I just needed to begin. And now, I feel unstoppable. If you're ready to try this, comment below. Day 1 starts today. And I'll see you at 5 a.m. Your future self is already waiting.